This is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here, opening up some Pokemon cards and some sodas that I picked up. But before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. I'm opening up one of these. I've already opened up, but I was just going to show you that it's one of those. I've got like 3 or 4 of those, but I was trying to make the video a little quicker, so, and it came with this, a big one. And there was another one of these, but I can't find it. But anyway, before we get into that, let's open some sodas that I picked up. Alright. I've got the Sanders Sisters. I only picked up one set of that. I got 2 of the Mr. Mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. Like I said, I really don't go for the chases. As long as I get a black light, that's all I'm worried about. But this time, I usually always still get 2 just to try for a chase. But if I don't get the chase, no biggie. There's a pog in there. And it looks like the common. Your 2 faces. We'll make sure. Yep, just the common. 1 in 10,500. I don't know what the chase is, or if there is a chase on this. And it looks like, feels like just the common. So we got 2 commons. Yep, 2 commons. All good. Alright, and then we got the Sanders Sisters. I only got 1 of these. So we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I would prefer not to chase because the chases aren't that great, but that's why I really only got 1. But we'll see. We are going to open up Mary first. Hogs in there. just the common, but man, this bag is melted on here. Just the common, which, like I said, I'd prefer. So, yep. One in 20,900. Woo, it's a big count. 25,000. Yeah. Now we're doing Winford. Hogs in there. Oh man, well, it's a common, but it's another bag that's like melted. She's just common. And she's 25,000 piece. And yep, just common. Now we're going for Sarah. I'm gonna have to use a knife on this one. The whole thing's wrapped. Hog is in there. It's the Chase. My favorite color, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. To me, it's just not that great of a Chase. One in 4,100. It's translucent purple. Yeah. Oh well. Now I'll just have to try to order another one and get a common. Alright, so that was the sodas, and we got one Chase out of that. Not bad. Like I said, really wasn't wanting to Chase, but alright. Now, we're going to try these. This is my second time opening a pack, so bear with me. That's why I took them out of the box, trying to make it go a little bit quicker. There's the code. Hopefully it ain't upside down. No. Alright. Let's say fire. Let's see. No. Daggone. Wasn't no fire. And at one point in time, I will try to start naming these guys, but for now, I don't know the names, so alright. Ooh, that one's pretty cool. It's purple. And our last one, nothing. Alright. What set was this from? Lost Origin. Not bad. Now we got Astral Radiance. I have trouble opening these things. Water. No. Grass. Alright, well, we got one reverse, it looks like. Oh, he's cute. Brilliant Star. Grass. No. Energy. I'm not getting these. Who? That one's pretty cool. Sorry, I just started into Pokemon, so yeah, I'm not getting so excited. Don't know if I've got a hit. This one is Brilliant Star. Alright. Lightning. No. Freaking water. Yeah, I need to come up with a better way to display it or see these things because they look in dark. And one shiny. Not shiny, but reverse. Alright. Lost Origin. Fire. Ooh. No. It's fighting. Mr. Mime. I know that one. Oh, that one's pretty cool. Alright. Now we're doing Astral Radiance. Psychic. No. Ooh. We got a hit in that. Got that one. And we got that one. So cool. 2 packs left. Water. Fire. Ooh. That's a pretty nice one though. It's a trainer. So I got 2 hits out of it. And our last pack is Astro Radiant. Psychic. No. Not that big of a hit, but we'll take it considering I'm just getting started. Alright. Well, thank you for bearing with me on the Pokemon opening. I realize I need to either do a lot of talking, name some of these, because it does get silent while I'm over here pulling it. Plus I gotta figure out how to do it a little bit better. There's a lot of shadows going on. I might need to throw another light up or something, because it was a little hard to see. But I just want to say, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified for the next videos that are coming. And mad love to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, and further ones that will subscribe to my channel. Mad love your all's way, and y'all have a good day or good night, depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.